Hi guys, this is another DIY and this is a lip scrub that may be put in a tube for easy bringing, and it may also be inside a plastic container like this. This DIY is unique because it does not use shea butter or beeswax, which is very hard to find here in the Philippines. Now, you'll need an empty lip balm container just like this. You just have to remove the few remaining product, and you can also put that in the lip scrub. Mine, I use this chapstick. This is my favorite lip balm. Next, I'm gonna be using a Lucas Papaw, but if you don't have one, you can substitute petroleum jelly. Next is a lip balm. This is a substitute if you don't have shea butter or beeswax. As you can see, it is hard to find those ingredients. So instead, I'm using a lip balm which I do not use anymore as a actual lip balm. Next is glycerin. It is known to lock moisture. Next is a virgin coconut oil for added moisture. Then I have here a bowl and a spatula for mixing the ingredients together. Now let's start. First, you take your lip balm. This is 4.03 grams, as you can see here. You just have to put the lip balm into the bowl among other ingredients. Then microwave this at medium heat for about 30 seconds. I just added a little bit of Lucas Papaw, and if you don't have one, you can use petroleum jelly instead. Next is glycerine. You just have to put a few drops. Next is the virgin coconut oil. Same thing, you have to just put a few drops, but you can adjust it if your lips is really dry to have added moisture. Then I am just going to microwave this and I'll be back. When I microwaved this, I thought this bowl was a silicone bowl, but apparently it is not. It melted on the microwave. So I just repeated the process and moved to another bowl. So here it is. And next I'll just add the sugar for the scrub. You just have to put an amount which will make the consistency like a dough. Just like this. After properly mixing, I will just proceed on putting this inside the empty lip balm container here. Make sure that the product is really pressed into the container, otherwise it will fall off when you use it. So twist it in the lowest portion, then put the product inside and press it really hard as you can. Things will get a little bit messier. It will come to a point that you will need to use your fingers in order to press the product. So feel free to use your clean fingers in doing so. And after I placed it in my first container, I just proceeded to my second container, and afterwards you will need to put these two containers with the products inside, of course, into the freezer for about 10 minutes for it to harden. Now this is the final product. As you can see, it already hardened. Just like this. I will try to twist. There. Now you can use it on your lips whenever you travel or whenever you don't want to use your dirty fingers towards your lip scrub. I also have another option here. If you don't have an empty lip balm bottle, you can just put it in a container like this. It also works as long as your fingers are clean and you're just at home before applying your matte liquid lipstick.